Yo, hey guys, what is up? It's JJ Tech here, back again for another brand new video. And in today's video, I finally did it. I finally bought a brand new gaming keyboard. And not only did I buy a brand new gaming keyboard, I also bought a brand new gaming mouse. But you guys are gonna have to stay tuned for the next video after this one of me unboxing this thing right here. So if you guys aren't subscribed, turn on those post notifications as well, so you can get notified whenever I upload this video. Alright, so back to the keyboard. As you can see here by the title and thumbnail, we're going to be unboxing the Logitech G213 Prodigy gaming keyboard. Now if you guys watch my previous videos, you know, my gaming setup video, my unboxing PC video of me unboxing this PC back here, I told you guys that I was not a big fan of the keyboard that it did come with. You know, it was pretty flimsy, but it did get the job done. That's what mattered, right? But you know, I've been wanting to upgrade my gaming setup, so I thought, you know what, why don't I invest in a brand new keyboard? And that's exactly what I did. Now I did look at many different options. I did look at this Razer keyboard up here. Don't know the exact name to it. They're kind of some funky names. There's many types of versions of this same keyboard, but this one right here that I'm popping up on screen was one of the options. And another option was this Corsair keyboard with RGB lighting. Like I said, also don't know the name. I'm sorry if I don't know the names to those, but those two were the options, as well as this one right here, the Logitech G213. The reason I went with this keyboard and not those was because, first of all, the price on this thing was insane. Second of all, I feel like this keyboard just felt better. I did try them out at Best Buy, and I don't really like the clickiness of those two other keyboards, and this one was just perfect. And that's the reason I chose this keyboard. But with no further ado, let's get into this box. Alrighty, so as you can see here, this is the Logitech G213 Prodigy, just to make sure, like I said. And this is just the unboxing video. I will be doing a full review on this keyboard. So like I said, turn on that subscribe button as well as turn on that post notification bell so you can get notified. Alright, but back into the box. As you can see here, crack this little tab open. As you can see here, opens right up, and you are presented with the keyboard. So once you do lift the tab, as you can see here, you have the keyboard itself. And let me just take this out of the plastic wrapping. Let's open this bad boy up. This is probably the satisfying part. Voila. So that's pretty much all that comes inside the box here, just the keyboard itself, with of course some paperwork, but other than that, that's pretty much it. Alrighty guys, so it is now out of the box here. As you can see here, this thing, I gotta say, this thing feels solid. It's heavy. You know, these almost feel like metal. I know they're not, but like I said, the quality on this thing is insane, and I will be telling you guys the price at the end of the video, so stay tuned. And as you can see here, it is a USB keyboard. It is not wireless. I specifically wanted a wired keyboard just because I don't want to deal with the Bluetooth and stuff with the charging and replacing the batteries. To me, I just feel like it's kind of not worth it, especially if you're getting it for a desktop, which obviously you're going to get one for a desktop, and you're not going to be moving the keyboard around or anything. And obviously this cable is very long, so honestly I see no point in a wireless keyboard. Sure, it does clear up some space, and you know, it does make it look nicer, and you know, it does clean up your setup a bit, but overall I just like the wired ones better. But overall guys, as you can see here, not going to be giving my impressions in today's video. This is just the unboxing video. If you guys want to see more details, I will be doing a review video on this keyboard, but I do have to spend some time with it, at least a week, to really give you guys my full review on this. But the next video, literally right after this video, I'm going to film the unboxing video of this Corsair mouse, so stay tuned. Oh yeah, and before I go, I forgot to mention the price. So yeah guys, I did pay 55 bucks at Target. Now you're probably wondering, then why did you say you went to Best Buy to try out the keyboard? Well, here's the thing. I went to Best Buy to try it out, but they didn't have that particular keyboard in stock, so I ended up going to Target. And in fact, it was cheaper. Got it 5 bucks cheaper at Best Buy. It's actually 60 bucks, and so I saved $5. So yeah, 55 bucks was where I bought it at Target. But you know, if you don't care about the price, you're willing to spend 5 bucks more, check out Best Buy. But in my particular Best Buy, they were out of stock. So yeah, that's the price of the Logitech gaming keyboard. So yeah guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe down below. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.